Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to surprise you and benefit your health. The amazing benefits of oats. If you're living with diabetes or just looking to improve your overall well-being, you're in for a treat. Oats are a true superfood, packed with essential nutrients and incredible health benefits. And for people with diabetes, oats can be a game changer. Let's take a closer look at some of the important health benefits of oats that will surprise you. 1. Blood sugar control. One of the most remarkable benefits of oats for diabetics is their ability to help control blood sugar levels. Oats are low on the glycemic index, which means they release sugars into the bloodstream more slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. This can be incredibly beneficial in managing diabetes. 2. Heart health. Did you know that heart disease is a major concern for people with diabetes? Well, oats can come to the rescue. They're rich in soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, also known as bad cholesterol. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can promote heart health and lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing diabetes. Oats can be a great ally in your weight management journey. Due to their high fiber content, oats keep you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, they're relatively low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. 4. Digestive health. Good digestion is essential for overall well-being, and oats can help keep your digestive system in top shape. The fiber present in oats acts as a natural regulator, preventing constipation and promoting healthy bowel movements. It's like a gentle workout for your digestive tract. 5. Nutrient powerhouse. Oats are incredibly nutrient-dense. They contain essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and even plant-based protein. These nutrients contribute to improved immune function, increased energy levels, and overall vitality. Now that we know all about the surprising health benefits of oats, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your diet. Oatmeal is a classic and versatile way to enjoy oats. You can customize it with your favorite toppings and flavors, such as fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. It's a scrumptious and nutritious breakfast option that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. So, whether you have diabetes or simply want to improve your overall health, don't underestimate the power of oats. They're a simple, affordable, and delicious addition to your diet that can make a world of difference. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found the information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. As always, remember to consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy,